Hey, Mike, thank you for the comment. Thank you for the question. I thought I answered this in another video, but if I didn't, I'm sorry, so I'll answer it now. These are all the glasses that I currently wear in my current rotation. I'm actually going today, if you want to watch my other videos, I've been looking at a pair of Chanel glasses to get. So I'm going back today to go look at them again because I could not decide. I still can't decide. I'm very indecisive, but I'm going to go. So if you want to see, I'll show you those. Well, but these are the ones that are in my current rotation. They're all Tom Ford. I have some older ones from like Gucci and stuff that I used to wear, but I don't. Their power is low now, so I can't really wear them as much unless I switch them out, which I haven't done. So these are the ones I'm currently wearing. They're clear frame, kind of smaller, square. They're Tom Ford. They have like, Tom Ford has these like little like T's right here. I don't know if you can see. It's really hard to see on the clear ones, but I'll show you a different one. The one I think that you were asking about were these, which is these ones. You can see like right there. Yeah, and I wear these all the time. I love these. They're a little thicker, my like Edna Mode frames that I love. And then I have a thinner version. It's kind of the same, but same but different. But these ones are actually a little crooked. They got bent because I sat on them. So I have to go get them. I'm actually taking them to the eye doctor today to get repaired too. But I think these are my best power because looking at them now, they're actually they're stronger than these two. It's a little bit of a headache because I'm not using them. But so these are them, and if they can't repair these, I actually have a second pair of them. But these don't have any power on them. Sometimes when I just want to wear contacts but have the same frame, so I have two of these, and it's the same like frame, but this doesn't have any. As you can see, that's like a reflective lens. And I'm going to Chanel to hopefully get one of those red pairs or the ones with the chains. So I will post it later. But these are the two that I wear probably the most. Yeah, okay, I know you didn't ask for this long ass explanation, but here it is. Okay, thanks, bye.